Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to discuss on VL every function in AutoLISP programming. VL every function checks whether the predicate is true for every element combination. Means VL every function passes the first element of each supplied list as an argument to the test function, then followed by the next element from each list and so on. So evaluation stops as soon as one of the list runs out. Means the smallest list will be processed. Let us see how does this work. Here we have three different lists. List 1 with 1, 2 elements, list 2 with 1, 3 elements, and list 3, 1, 2, 3 elements. Now let us try to compare list 1 and list 2 using VL every function. I mean every element in first list is equal to every element in second list at the same index or not. That is what we are going to check. So I am writing it like this: VL every, and our function is equal to and list 1 and list 2. So before we are going to execute this statement, first of all we need to load these lists so that they will be assigned values. Now I am loading this statement, means check list 1 and list 2 are equal or not, every element. So I am loading this, it is saying nil because 1, 1 equal but 2, 3 are not equal. Let us try with list 1 with list 3. So I am loading the same statement but changed second list as list 3. Now I am loading this. See, it is returning true, means because the first element of the first list is 1 and first element of the third list is also 1. Second element in the list 1 is 2 and second element in the list 3 also 2. Once it completes checking list 1, because it is the smallest one, it will return back. So the elements in the list 1 are equal to list 3. That is why we have got true. Let us check it in another way. So I am writing another list over here. It is like this: set q odd list, that is list 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. I would like to check this odd list that every element in odd list is a odd number or not. So for that we need to write it like this: VL every, take the function that is lambda, which we frequently use, and x is the element from this particular list. Here if you observe, VL every can be used on multiple lists, as well as using a lambda function we can apply the same on single list also. I mean, if you want to check only single list elements, you can use a lambda function. So every element will come into the x variable and you can use that variable for comparison purpose. So here I am writing it like this: equal to remainder of x by 2 equal to 1. So that is what I would like to check in odd list. So what does it do? Every element from odd list will come into x, and here x by 2 remainder is equal to or not. That is what we are comparing. So now load this odd list first of all, and then load this statement to check every member in the odd list using VL every function. So I am loading this. See, it is saying nil. Why? Because 8 is a even number whose remainder will be 0 when divided with 2. So let us change it to 9 and then try to execute the same thing. First of all, load the list so that that value will be updated. Now load the second statement to check each and every element in the odd list. So now if you see, it is returning true, means we are checking each and every element from a list by using lambda function, and this element will be processed over here. What is it we are checking? X divided by 2, the remainder value of x and 2 is equal to 1 or not. That is what checking. If every element is passed in this lambda, then only it will return true. If at least one element fails, say I am here changing 5 to 4, if you load this list and then run this statement, it will return nil because one of the element fails the given condition. If you make it 5, and it will pass. Okay. This VL every function can be used in different ways using a different lambda functions. So friends, hope you understood how to use this VL every function. We can use this VL every function on multiple lists as well as single list also with a predicate function. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.